Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Working Man Ron Doyle. I'm a master electrician in the state of Maryland on Maryland's Eastern Shore. I do tool videos and how-to videos on doing electrical work. And this video is a tool video, and hopefully this video will help you save some money and get some new ideas that will help your process. Years ago, I started out with Greenlee products. Basically, they were the major player before all your other companies jumped in on the bandwagon trying to make a buck. Well, when I started out with Greenlee fish tapes. Gardner Bender makes some products, but primarily with fish tapes, and then I started with fish sticks. Fish sticks have a benefit over fish tapes. Fish tapes are used mostly for pulling strings and wire through conduit pulls. Most of your fish sticks are good for straightaway shots through attics, crawl spaces, inaccessible areas that you can't get to. Fishing wire in walls. Bought a this is a 6-foot super flexible Greenlee rod. Now this particular rod only doesn't have accessories. It's got fixed points with eye holes at either end, as you can see. This rod roughly is 30 bucks. You can buy them at most home improvement stores or at your electrical supply house. But the kits that I started out with were the basic stiff rod kits. They're 12 foot. You get 3 sticks, and they were 48 inches long in each stick. I've got multiple kits here because I needed extended lengths, and I usually would buy more rods as I needed them throughout the year. So I ended up with a couple kits, and Greenlee came out with a short kit. These rods are 20 inches long, and you get 5 rods in this kit, and it equals out to what they're calling an 8-foot kit. The primary accessories that you get when you buy these kits, they give you two accessories, and one's a hook and one's a bullet point that has a hole in the end for pulling string or wire. I ended up buying a whisk basket, and this is used for going over industrial or commercial ceilings, over ceiling grids. Basically, you insert it, spin it on, and this accessory fits pretty much either one of these kits that are Greenlee. Well, going through the store last year in 2022, a lot of these companies have came out with fish sticks and pulling accessories and accessories for the fish sticks. The main players in this are Greenlee. You've got Klein, you've got Ideal, you've got Milwaukee Tools, and then Harbor Freight came out with their version. Well, I seen this in the store, and I had to have it. And the main reason I bought this is because it's got a magnetic point. So you get a slew of accessories. This is the main thing that I wanted. What you get with this, they give you a piece of chain with a connection at the end. They give you a plastic whisk basket that you can pull wires through. You can also put accessories into the end of that. So it's got a male and a female, unlike the Greenlee version doesn't have that on the end. They give you a point, a single hook, a double S hook that is ideal for sliding over a cable assembly and then running it down a cable assembly. They give you a double hook. But the main one I wanted was this magnet. And I get butterfingers. I drop tools, and I'm sure you all do too. Grabbed the kit, came out to my truck where I keep all my rods, and this does not screw in. So the male end of a Greenlee rod looks like that, and that is the magnetic tip accessory from Klein Tools. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference there. Well, I don't have a metal lathe. I'm not going to alter all of these products to fit my Greenlee rods. This kit that Klein sells basically is exclusive to Klein. So unless you have Klein rods, this stuff's not going to work for you. Well, I'm sorry. I'm not going to go out after I've got all of this. I'm not going to go out and buy more rods just to make these accessories work. This kit is a 56511. you all may want this kit, and you all may have the same problem I've got. Well, they don't fit. But you can go to a hardware store and you can buy barrel extensions. Some people call them barrel nuts, some people call them barrel extensions. They sell different sizes. They are 8/32 and they're 1 inch long. That's a 1 inch long version. And this one is an 8/32 half inch long. Each one of these has male and female thread. Well, I looked all over trying to find this in a steel version. I found what they call brass. It's actually anodized aluminum, and I found aluminum. They do not make these in a steel version. All of these connections are zinc coated steel. Well, lo and behold, that actually fits in a Greenlee rod. That is an 8/32 barrel extension. This is the Klein accessory that I want to work. Would you looky there. Ladies and gentlemen, Klein accessories in Greenlee rods. Let's see what else it fits. And this is the 1 inch. This is the 1 inch version. So any of these accessories are going to fit with this barrel extension, as you can see. Now the barrel extension got stuck on that one. Now you're screwing in steel. This one actually looks like stainless steel, but I can't tell at this point. You're screwing in stainless steel to aluminum into steel. One thing you have to be real cautious with is electrolysis. That's the connection of two dissimilar metals. If you leave this in to your fish sticks in any length of time, corrosion will happen. They call that process electrolysis. Two dissimilar metals touching each other. You can combat that with putting antioxidant. You can put deox on that. You could possibly leave it in there. Preferably, I just put this loosely in the kit, and after I get done using this, I make sure I take it out of the rod. We don't want problems with this where we can't use the rod later. But in taking this connection, I bought a new set of rods. Now these rods are the ideal 12-foot kit. It's called a Tough Rod Regular Flex Kit, 12-foot fiberglass fish poles. It is 12 foot long. Each rod is 4 foot. So let's see what you get in this kit. This is brand new. Alright, you get 3 rods, male and female. You get 2 accessories. You get a single hook, and you get a fat bullet point. Now, let's compare these to a Greenlee rod and see how they line up. See if I can do this without dropping everything. So this is ideal rod, and this is a short Greenlee rod. There's a little bit of difference there on the shoulder. So let's try the magnetic point onto the ideal rod. This is the female side. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that does not fit. Same problem that we have with Greenlee rods. It fits Greenlee rods. I'm sorry, this doesn't fit Greenlee rods, and this Klein accessory does not fit ideal rods. So let's try the barrel extension to the ideal rod. Ladies and gentlemen, it fits. Would you look at that? We got Klein accessories fitting in ideal and Greenlee rods. I don't have a Milwaukee rod here to show you. I don't plan on buying any more kits. This is what I've got. This is what I prefer. But I really wanted this magnetic attachment to be able to be able to retrieve things that are lost. As you can see, it definitely works, and I believe this kit was right around $25. I bought this from Branch Electric, Rexal in Salisbury, Maryland. And if I find links for this on Amazon, I'll put links in the video description below to where you can pick this up, and I'll put a screenshot of where you can get these barrel nuts from Amazon right here in the video, so you will see. Preferably, I looked online. I had better luck finding these in the hardware store. They're very inexpensive. They're less than a couple bucks a piece, and they seem to make these accessories work. Look, I hope you all thought the video was helpful and informative. And if you liked the video, I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. So consider subscribing to my channel for future videos on things that I do and tool-related videos to help you. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Till the next time, stay safe.